You gotta smile.
Smile?
Go look at and look at the lens. Look at the camera lens. Don't do that, dude. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. I'm with my buddy today.
Elias.
Say what's up.
What's up, guys?
Introduce yourself.
My name is Elias.
And he is a
Instacart shopper.
So today, guys, I brought Elias along, and actually we went out last night and did some Instacart shopping. We did 2 batches, went out for around an hour and did some orders, and it was super fun, and we did make money as well. So in today's video, we're gonna go back, we're gonna reverse the time really quick. Rewind the clock, and we're gonna go through some of Elias's earnings that we're gonna go through his whole app, guys, because you know, you guys want to see the juicy stuff. We're gonna go through and see how much money he made. So maybe you haven't even do you check your earnings a lot?
So I haven't done it a lot. I haven't done the app a lot as much as I would like to, just because I've been working a lot at my other jobs.
You just do this part-time.
This is just a part-time thing.
So you are not a full-time Instacart shopper.
Exactly. I'm not a full-time Instacart shopper. I don't do this every day. But I definitely know people like my cousin. He does this full-time. This is his job. Like,
didn't you say he makes like around 20 bucks an hour?
He says he makes around $20 an hour. Him and his girlfriend actually do it full-time. So
that's crazy. Yeah, he told me that. I was like, what? They both go out and do it full-time. Not together though. They go out separately. That way they get double the earnings. So I was like, that's pretty smart. So before we get into the earnings, we're gonna pop up his app here and go through it all, show you guys everything. And yeah, we'll go through the screenshots and do everything. But before we do, guys, if you can do us one simple tiny little favor, and please tap the thumbs up button. If you like making money, you know, scratch your forehead and then click the thumbs up button. No, it honestly does help us out a ton with the YouTube algorithm. Without the thumbs up, we just, you know, we can't make videos anymore. So please hit the thumbs up button so we can make videos. And make sure to destroy the subscribe button. That was hard to say. Destroy that baby. And yeah, you can be subscribed so you'll be notified every single time we do post videos on Instacart, Uber, Lyft. Anyway, if you want to make more money, you should definitely be subscribed. There's no reason not to. I mean, you're subscribed, right?
Well, I don't see why I wouldn't be subscribed.
You have the post notifications on?
Post notifications
He actually does. He gets notified like 10 times a day because I post so much.
All these, Dylan. These are all Dylan.
All right, so we're gonna pull it up right here and let's get started. So, Elias, why don't you go ahead and open up the app? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, and here we have it. As you can see here, that's the Instacart Shopper app. That's what you will get when you sign up. Let's go through the earnings right now. Why don't you go ahead and open up the app? Cool, so yeah, go ahead and walk us through your earnings.
So I'm gonna go to my earnings right now.
Let's just go through the app really quick. Like, go to your dashboard first. How does it look?
So this is how the main app looks. Like, here's the main screen that you load up on.
And that's how you get a batch, right?
So here it says no batches available. So apparently there's no batches available right now. So nobody has ordered anything. You could definitely refresh it, or you could just let the app notify you. And like, there's definitely, like, you can select hours. So like I'm saying, like, for people that want to do this full time, you can select your hours, and you could pick up hours. So like anything in green that says pick up hours, you could pick up those hours. And
so let's go to Tuesday, for example. Let's say tomorrow, that's today. You can pick up some hours today.
So you can pick up hours from 5 to 6 and 6 to 7.
Okay.
And then, yeah, and then you select those hours, and then you save it.
And then you have guaranteed pickups, right?
Guaranteed pickups.
That's good. That way you're not, because one thing I did find kind of frustrating yesterday is that you go back to your batches. You have to keep refreshing the batches to find, go back to where it says no batches available. You have to keep refreshing. We did this like a lot, and sometimes a batch would come up, would click on it, be like, all right, yeah, it's nearby, it looks good, and then we would go to accept it and somebody had already taken it. So if you want guaranteed hours, sign up for those hours. But make sure you don't sign up and then cancel, because you probably don't want to cancel too many shifts.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to cancel. If you know you're gonna do it, then definitely go for it. If not,
if you're kind of like, oh, I don't know if I might go out, I might not, I might, you know, whatever.
Oh, look, see, like, as of right now, I have an order that popped up. So I could just click on it.
$14.
$14, so it's the order is $11.14, and the customer is tipping $3.47.
So that's something that I found crazy, because as an Uber and a Lyft driver, you don't get tipped till after, and a lot of times they don't tip. But they have to tip before, or how does that work?
No, so I guess in the app, I've never seen the app, so I'm guessing in the app they tip. They
before.
put tip before, and they have 3 days to change their tip. So as you can see on the screen right now, obviously somebody took it. It says,
yeah,
oh,
so
no,
look,
like
so if you want that batch, you have to click it right away almost.
You definitely have to accept it right away.
It's kind of like, look at it, if it looks close, don't even like look at the details, just accept.
Kind of. Definitely, if you have a chance to look at the details, I would, because sometimes it gets like difficult, because sometimes you can accept an order. I've accepted an order once, and I was literally at home, and then it makes me drive like miles and miles away just to get a grocery store, and then it makes me drive miles and miles back all the way.
So just check,
to drop it off.
Look at the locations, I would say.
Yeah,
see if the location and drop off are pretty close.
Yeah, it has a map. It gives you a map, and it tells you where the grocery store is on the map. And yeah, so definitely check the map, see how far the grocery is from your location, and see how far the grocery store is from the house.
But do that all like in a couple seconds.
Yeah, try
like
to
just
do it
look, and then like if it looks good, go. Don't like, oh, I don't know, because it'll get taken. Okay, so now moving on. Let's hop into the earnings. What you guys are all here for. Let's go. Let's go to your first day ever. How much did you make on your first day?
First day ever. So let's see. I'm about to find out. So we'll go to my earnings, and so July 29th is, I guess, the first.
This was your
day
first week. So you went out for 10 hours. You made $75. So $7.50 an hour, right? Pretty much.
So sometimes you don't get a lot of money, but this is.
Oh, what the heck?
So.
Okay. Yeah, it's still good.
So yeah. So here on Wednesday I made $36. So this is 10 hours from July 29th to August 4th.
Yeah.
So on July 31st I made $36.
Yeah.
And I was online for 4 hours. So, and then Thursday I made $39.77, and I was online for 5 hours and 22 minutes.
Okay.
So it's like, not like, sometimes you're sitting there too, that when it says online, sometimes you're probably just sitting there and
the app is on, but you're not
the app is on, yeah, but you're not active, you're not driving back and forth. It's just counting those hours that you're on.
So it's probably like double that. Like, yeah.
Yeah, so
so just minus the hours, like cut the hours in half pretty much.
Pretty much.
All right.
So yeah, so that was the first ever day that I did it.
Let's go to your second week. Let's go to August 12th to the 18th.
Okay, so August 12th to 18th, I only did 1 day, I think.
Look at that, 2 hours and 40 minutes.
And I made $45.25.
That's amazing. And like you probably weren't even active the whole time. So let's just say $45 in 2 hours. So go to your calculator really quick. So where's your calculator at? So what is that? $45 divided by 2. Let's just say 2 hours and what? 12 minutes, 2.2. Over $20 an hour. That's pretty dang good, right?
So definitely you can get some pretty good money if you play your cards right.
Oh look, new batch available. These guys, you gotta pop up.
New batch available, 19 bucks.
We're about to go eat dinner, so we're gonna, you know, do this all afterwards. We're gonna go, we're gonna make, this is gonna be a whole separate video, but whatever, you guys won't see that. But now let's go to your biggest week.
Whoa.
Let's go to your biggest week and then break down those numbers. Let's just go through all the weeks really quick. So go to your biggest week.
So my biggest week, I made $79.27.
In 5 hours. That's not even a full work day. And guys, if you need an extra $100 or so, it's definitely doable.
So on Tuesday, so on Monday, I made $48 and 49 cents, and then in tips alone I made $12.73, which is not bad. I only did 3 batches that day.
What's the fire sign for?
So the fire sign is what's it called? I think it's like a boost or
like higher earnings.
Yeah, so
if you see a fire sign, guys, you're gonna make bank.
Oh yeah, peak boost. It's called a peak boost.
So that's like during rush hour, like
pretty much.
Get those, guys. That's how you make. That's like Surge, Uber Surge. It's like Instacart.
Yeah, so I made $21 at 4. I made $18.81 at 5, and I made $20 again at 7. And I only did 3 orders.
3 orders for $60. That's $20 average per order, guys. That's pretty freaking good.
Yeah, and then on Tuesday, I just did one order.
That's it.
18.
18 bucks.
So definitely not bad at all.
If I were you guys, like, if you have like some bill that you need to pay every month, like your gym, say your gym is like 20 or 30 bucks a month, instead of paying it, go out and do Instacart for an hour or 2, and that way you're like, you don't even notice. You're basically paying for your gym by doing Instacart for, you know, an hour or 2. You gotta think like that, you know. So anyways, let's go through the last couple weeks really quickly, and then we'll give some tips for new shoppers.
Yeah, and then definitely there's obviously some days I do smaller orders.
Whoa, that's 1 hour for $28. That's almost $28 an hour.
Yeah, so definitely, like I'm saying, you can make definitely some good money on this app. And yeah, I only did 2 batches. I was on there for an hour and 43 minutes. So, I mean, I made $28 on one day.
That's crazy.
And then I cashed it out. So, you can instantly cash out. That's the good thing about that.
That's the best part.
So I'll show you my last one, which is current week. This was yesterday's order.
Did you cash it out yet?
I have not cashed it out. We only did 2. We're active, so I guess for 2 hours.
It was more like an hour. We were sitting in the car for a while, we were also filming. So we were sitting in the car for a while filming and then waiting for a batch. For sure, definitely. Yeah, so sometimes it'll tell you, but like you just sit in the car mainly, and that's, I'm guessing it counts that as the hours, because we're mainly sitting in the car refreshing just to get orders. Exactly. But yeah, so that's all my orders. I haven't done it a lot. I'm probably gonna start doing it a lot more. So the good thing about this is that, so as you can see here, current balance, I have $28.80. 24. Or 20, what did I say? 28. Oh shoot. I have $24.80 in my current balance. So as you can see right here, it says, like, it has a lightning bolt and it says cash out. Yeah. So I can instantly cash out that money. That's not the tip. So that's $18.69. That's without the tip, not included. So customer tip, I have $6.11. That gets deposited, so paid weekly deposit, so that gets deposited separately, because like I said, the customer has 3 days to change their tip if they would like to. So they can raise it. I'm not sure if they can lower the tip, but I would really hope they can't, because that would really suck if you were anticipating on getting like $3 tip, and all of a sudden a customer's like, no, I'm gonna change it to $1, or I don't want a tip at all. Yeah. But yeah, so definitely that's instantly cashing out. You can make quick money. It's super easy and super fast. So like, I probably won't cash it out right now. I'm probably just gonna accumulate money. But if I wanted to cash it out, I could just definitely click the cash out button, and probably has my bank account. Probably blur that out. But yeah, so definitely I can confirm the cash out, and then once I confirm that cash out, it'll go, so it takes out 50 cents, a small fee of 50 cents, which is not bad. You don't want to do that, like, you know, 10 times a week. Like, that's $5 right there. I know apps take out a lot more, but yeah, so you know me, I always recommend just wait, because it's 50 cents, you know.
Yeah, so unfortunately with this, you can only instantly cash out.
So it won't deposit weekly?
No, that's only tips.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess you have to cash out eventually, so never mind. With Uber, like, it'll go every week, or you can cash it out, like, early, but...
Well, I'm not sure if you can do it, if they do it, but all I know is that tips, they deposit every 3 days.
For free, yeah.
For free, like, instantly into your bank account.
Every 2 days or every week?
Every 3 days.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
So...
All right, guys.
But that's pretty much the gist of the app, you know. Super simple, super easy. There's a lot more, like you can check like how you're doing on the app. You can get referrals, messages.
By the way, use our referral link in the description below. Sign up if you want to be a shopper.
Definitely.
Use ours though. You have to use this one, guys, okay? You can't just sign up regularly. You have to use this one because you get a special prize when you sign up, okay? Can't tell you what it is. You have to sign up and do your batches first, okay? Cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
Sorry.
Thank you for watching today's video, guys. That's it. There's an inside look into a real life earnings of an Instacart shopper. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Elias, I do have to say, I really do appreciate you sitting in my car and talking to the camera with me.
Of course, my legs are kind of cramping up, but you know what? I love doing the videos with Dylan. Dylan's an amazing person. I would do these videos every day if I could. But yeah.
But yeah, guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. We will talk to y'all soon. Stay fun, stay active, stay alive, and get out there and make some money, guys. Subscribe, like, comment down below. All right, we gotta go.
Hope you guys all have a great day.
We gotta go, guys. We'll talk. Okay, all right, bye, guys. Later. You guys smile.
Smile?
Go look at and look at the lens. Look at the camera lens. Don't do that, dude.
Wait.
Go look and look at the camera.
He said, wait.
Smile, like, do a half, be like, yeah, dude, no, go like this, go. Alright, that's fine. We do that again.